Introduction. Hey y'all! Today I'm super excited to show you how to whip up a batch of Gulab Jamun, a classic Indian dessert that's as delightful as it is simple to make. Let's get started. Ingredients. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need milk powder, all-purpose flour, a bit of baking powder, ghee, which is clarified butter, some milk or water, sugar, a few cardamom pods, a dash of rose water, and saffron strands. Oh, and don't forget some chopped pistachios or almonds for that perfect garnish. Preparation and frying. All right, let's get our hands a little messy. Mix together the milk powder, flour, and baking powder. Then add in the ghee and just enough milk or water to form a soft, smooth dough. Next, shape this dough into small, smooth balls, making sure there are no cracks so they'll cook up just right. Fry these babies in hot ghee until they're beautifully golden brown, making sure to turn them so they get evenly cooked on all sides. Making the syrup. Now for that sweet magic, the syrup. Boil some sugar and water with the cardamom pods and saffron until the sugar's all dissolved. Stir in a splash of rose water to give it that lovely floral hint. This syrup is what's going to make our Gulab Jamun just irresistible, soaking and serving. Once your Gulab Jamuns are golden and gorgeous, pop them into the warm syrup. Let them soak for a few hours or even better overnight. This lets them soak up all that sweet aromatic goodness. Final thoughts, and there you have it. Perfect Gulab Jamun made right in your kitchen. These little treats are just bursting with flavor and are sure to dazzle at any gathering. Serve them up to your loved ones and watch the smiles spread. Thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy delights. Bye now.